I wish I could remember everyone that I have interacted with on my videos, on my live streams, or elsewhere, especially on this channel. And that would be good. But anyway, let's find ways that we can interact more, be together more times. Let's find ways to familiarize ourselves. But the problem is, I'm seeing so many people change their handles, and some don't even have their pictures on their channels. So unfortunately, I can't just remember anyone by a handle that changes from time to time. Anyway, let's keep going. Thank you very much for being on my channel, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends. You are all wonderful people. Let's keep going.